Hey everybody, hope you're having a beautiful day today. So my garbage disposal just went out. It's dead in the water. Motor's spinning, but the gears have all shot, so it's still rotating. Anyway, regardless, it's not working anymore. So of course I went on Amazon because we can get a new garbage disposal shipped overnight. And I saw this Waste Maid on sale and thought I'd give it a shot because it's got like over 4,000 positive reviews. And read over them. They are fantastic. They say it's quiet. They say it's powerful. And one of the things, the cord is already connected to it. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and then we're going to install it just to show you what it gets. Here it is, packaged nicely with some foam on top. If you open it up, here is the machine itself. So one of the things I like, it comes with the cord attached. You take it right off. Comes with the connector piece. I'm going to actually try to connect it onto the existing Syncerator. We're going to see if it works. Or we might pop on the new one. I don't know. Here is the elbow. It's got the metal attachment. Stopper, rubber gasket, metal attachment. Really small and compact. One of the reasons I wanted to get it too is because it is smaller than the one we had before. Give a little bit more space underneath. Here we go. Here is the pretty standard. Here is the drain valve. Here is the connector for the dishwasher. Now it does have a cap in there, so make sure you punch that out before you install it. And I do not have to connect the power. It's already done for me. A lot of them come, you have to connect them because some of them are hardwired. This one's got the plug already intact. I love that. Feels solid. Feels good. We're going to attach it. We're going to give it a shot. Okay, so we got it all popped in right here. Just standard connectors for disposal. Twist that on. It's about much smaller than my previous one. Here we go. The connectors fit right onto our drain. And we have our dishwasher connector hooked right up here. And this is it. We'll show you how quiet it is. And we'll do another review in a few weeks to let you know how it does. I like to put a Tupperware underneath just in case we have a leak. Everyone have a beautiful day.